Okay, per client, $700 per month.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you pay bi-weekly? Is it okay with you? Like 350 bi-weekly, every like 2 times a month, every 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Can
I
you do
think
that?
no, it's not an issue for me.
What platform you use basically to pay the payment? I have Wise. Will that work? Do you have Wise?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have Wise. Yeah, I have Wise. Yeah. Where are you based at?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Malta. Have you ever heard of it?
I heard the name. Is it in Europe?
Yeah, yeah, it's in Europe. It's just under Italy.
Okay, okay,
Hmm.
got it. So let me know about your business, about your plan,
Yeah, perfect.
what you're gonna
Okay,
do.
perfect. 1 second. So basically, I am running a lead generation agency,
Mm-hmm.
and I am looking to build a team of email marketing campaigns. Reason being, I have some clients in the pipeline, and I need more. I need people like you on my team to be able to fulfill my clients and provide them with service delivery. Because as you know, I can't, manage like 5, 10 campaigns, at the same time. It would be too much
I
for
hear
me.
that. Okay.
Um, when I'm
So
also
you have
focusing on other experts.
onboarded clients already?
Yeah, yeah. I have onboarded clients already, and I have clients in my pipeline.
Sorry, how many email campaigns you are currently running?
I am currently running 3,
Three
and
email campaigns.
yeah, but I'm looking to include improve my
Are
volume.
you using any AI tool to build
No,
a
no,
template, email copywriting, or you are using by yourself?
by myself. I use it. I'm using
Okay, that's
instantly.ai.
great.
If that, because I noticed. I think your screenshots were from instantly, correct? If I remember.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Uh,
familiar with that.
mhm,
No, we can integrate a chat GPT with Instantly to
mhm,
personalize the email.
mhm,
Some people are integrating chat GPT with Instantly to make it more
mhm.
personalized.
Really, but you have to train it. I think no, sort of.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
So,
Uh,
what niche you are targeting? You are targeting the agencies, or you're targeting any particular niche?
I am currently targeting business consultants,
Mm-hmm.
and I am
And
targeting business. Yeah,
and you were selling email marketing service to them?
exactly. B2B contacts. I help them get more clients. I book them 10 meetings more this month, and that's my selling point. So, for example, let's say if they can onboard 1 client per week, I tell them, okay, let's think at a conservative closing rate of 30%. That means I have to book you 12 meetings for you to close 1 client each week,
Got
or
it.
4 new clients. That's my selling point, that I can help with that. Um,
So
and
far, how is it working? Are we able to fulfill the requirements?
So I'm looking for someone that can run the campaign from top to bottom. So from the creating the email account IDs to replying to the inbox. Are you willing to reply to the inbox, or is that something that maybe
Yeah,
you?
sure. I can work on the domain. I can create the email
Uh,
account with Google Workspace, with
mm-hmm,
Microsoft. Yeah.
mm-hmm,
If you give me the access, I can do that.
yeah,
I have that
uh,
experience. I can do that. I believe
yeah.
I shared you a screenshot already, creating
Mm-hmm,
domain accounts.
mm-hmm. I'm able to provide the tools, so I can provide you with the instantly account. I share access because I'll be covering the cost for the subscription. I
Okay.
can share you my subscription. I'm currently using MailScale. Have you heard of it?
For scraping leads?
No, for creating the email accounts, because at like for 200 euro a month, I can create 200 email accounts basically. So it's €1 per email account, and in 5 minutes you can have them set up and everything.
So the
Um,
how about the DMARC, DKIM, SPF? Those are
Yeah,
going to be
yeah, it would be set
automatically. You
up.
have to
Yeah, automatically. All I have to do is
okay.
fill out like a 4-minute form, and then you wait 24 hours for them to set up everything, the DMARC, the DKMF, the SPF, whatever, and they send you the Excel file with, let's say, 30 email accounts already created, and then you just upload the Excel file to instantly.
That's great. That's great. And
Mm.
how many email you're creating for each domain?
Um, three. Maximum of
Okay,
3, they won't let you do more.
yes, that's the perfect number. Yes, that's why I was asking. Because if you go beyond 3, then your domain gonna burn.
Yeah, of course, and it affects deliverability. But I never had an issue with deliverability. It's always above 65%, and that's with the unsubscribe link in the email and with the track open rate. So if I deactivate those, I'm pretty sure it's higher than 65%.
Yes, yes, that's great. Okay,
Um,
that's really fine. And
um,
regarding the scraping leads, are you buying the leads from someone else, or you are scraping leads by yourself? You have any lead scraper?
So before I was using the subscription to Apollo to manually scrape the leads, and I was also using another tool to extract the leads in bulk. But now I found someone that is able to. 1 second.
Apollo is very expensive and they have
Yeah,
limitation. You cannot like scrape more than 2000 lead per day and per
yeah.
month actually. So they have a
Uh,
limitation.
But I was using this tool that allows you to extract 10,000 leads a day or even more than 10,000. It's like an infinite number.
Where was the tool? Is it free or is it paid?
Was paid. But now I found a guy that is able to do that for me
Oh, okay, got it.
for $30. Now with the 700, I'm looking for someone to uh, that includes all the costs. So I will be providing you with the tools. I will be paying for the instantly subscription. I will be paying for the creation of email account IDs. All you have to cover with the 700 is paying the guy. I will refer you to a guy. He's also based in India, I think. And for every 10,000 leads, he takes like $30. So that's the only thing that you'll have to cover
For
with the
every
700.
$10,030, does
Yeah.
that include verifying leads? Are you going to verify them or he will verify the leads?
Usually, I currently have someone in my team already who does the verifying for himself. So I referred him to this guy. He pays the $30 from the 700, and then he has his own verifying tool, which is Million Verifier, which he's using, which he said it's not an issue.
Okay, then it's fine.
If
If you
that's
verifying the leads, then it's fine as long as you're
uh-huh.
verifying the leads.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, no, they have to be verified. So that you will be taking care of the verifying if that's okay with you.
Yeah, sure. I can do that because I'm familiar with Million Verifier, and I can verify the leads. Once you have the leads, just pass it on to me, then I will verify that.
No, I will be referring you to the guy, maybe, if
Okay,
that works
sure.
for you.
And
So,
what will be the timing, working time zone, and what will be the working hour?
so I time zone probably might. Are you looking to be paid hourly or is it? Because I'm looking for a fixed price per client.
Fixed is fine for me.
Fixed.
I'm
So you
okay with
will,
fixed, yeah.
yeah. So it will be, for example, 700 per client per month.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So 700 euros. What
700,
if euros or US
700
dollars?
euros or 700 US dollars?
With my team, I'm playing US dollars, so it's okay if I keep it the same, so I won't get confused with euros and dollars. So it's dollars.
US dollars?
Yeah,
Okay. Per client, 700 US dollars per month.
yeah, yeah.
So
So
can you pay bi-weekly? Is it okay with you? Like 350 bi-weekly, every like 2 times a month, every
um,
2 weeks. Is it okay, or you
yeah, I
won't be able
think
to that?
no, it's not an issue for me. I think
Okay.
it's
If
not
you
an
can
issue.
do that bi-weekly 350, like on the 15th, 350, on the 30th, 350.
It's not an issue for me. Um, that works for me. So can you I've seen the screenshots. Can you provide me some real-time examples?
What do you want me to show you? Let me.
Some copyrights, if that's okay.
Okay, I will give it to you right after the meeting. Will that work?
Right, yeah, that works for me.
Okay, right after the meeting, I will give it to you. Can you suggest me about your client niche so that I can
Yeah,
make some copywriting for the clients?
yeah, of course. So the niche that I'm working with are business consultants. So mainly they have a very vast niche. So the clients that I currently have, one client works with banks. He also works with manufacturing. He also works with retail. Then the other client
Okay.
works with staffing and recruiting. He also works with finance, and law firms. So as you can see, they have multiple niches they can help. I
Okay.
always tell them to tell me the best niches they've worked with, because sometimes they've worked more with finance and then others have maybe worked more with manufacturing. Um, I then create a lead list for each niche, and I'll roughly send out between 700 to 1,000 emails a day.
Okay.
And that takes like 30 account IDs, 30 to 50 account IDs, depending how I start with 30, and if I need, I add more. And it's usually then it's based on the pain point. So, for example, I tell the client, "Can you give me some examples of the pain point of the financial services needs?" He says, "Okay, this is most of the problems," and then I create an ad copy based on that. So I create, for example, 3 ad copies. I create an ad copy for each campaign. Some manufacturing, finance, and law firms, and then I just adjust
Got
it
it.
accordingly.
You
That's
have
how.
WhatsApp? Can we get in touch with WhatsApp?
Yes, yes. So, like I mentioned, I currently have a guy that is working with me. I'm looking to expand my team. So, and I'm looking to increase my volume. So, currently, let me give you an example for today. I have 5 meetings already booked, and it's Monday. I'm looking to increase that volume. So, I'll basically have a timetable, always meeting after meeting after meetings. So, I'll be hopefully onboarding clients more, and then I can reach out to you. So, it's good that we have everything. We agree on the terms, if that means.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. You can share me your WhatsApp number, then I will pass you the email copywriting templates on
Okay.
WhatsApp. Will that work?
Yeah, that works. Should I tell you my number or can you tell me yours?
Yeah. What's the number?
Okay.
And your name is Zachary, correct?
Yeah. You can send me a message so I can save your number also.
Let me save it first. I just sent you hi.
Yep, received. I'll send reply hi back at 1%. Hi back.
Okay. I will send you some email template right after the meeting.
Yeah.
Take a look at it, and we can work on that. If you think it's not gonna work, just give me some tips and ideas. Then I will definitely make it work. No worries. I have that experience. And regarding lead scraping, setting up the email, everything is okay for me. I don't have any problem with that in that part.
Okay. With regards to clients, how many clients do you think you're able to take care of per month for me? Like, is it 5? Is it?
Maximum, I took care around 10 to 15, so I can take care
Okay.
between 10 to 15. If it is
Yeah.
more than 15, then I may have to get more people in my team.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want,
And
if you have like more than 15 or 20 clients, I can hire people in my team. Okay.
okay, that works. And so yeah, that's the thing. So it's 700. You'll take care from A to Z, right? And I can refer you to the guy that does the lead scraping for me for $30. You can get 10K contacts, and that's the only thing that you will be paying from the 700. Other than that, I provide you with the tool, with access to the tool instantly. That I'll be paying. I'll pay for the creation of the email IDs and ad accounts and email ID accounts.
Yeah, that's great.
That's
You
the
can create a
$30.
group on WhatsApp, or you can create a group on Messenger with that guy, so that I can get in touch with the guy for regarding the lead scraping.
Yeah.
You got it?
Okay. Yeah, that works for me.
And what platform you use basically to pay the payment?
I was using Upwork because the people that are working with me, I pay
But
them through
Upwork
Upwork.
is like taking 20% charges,
Uh,
isn't? Is
yeah, we
right?
can use another platform. We can use another. If you have Stripe, I'll happily use Stripe.
I have Wise. Will that work? Do you have Wise?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have Wise. Yeah, I have Wise. Yeah,
I
that
have
works.
Wise and I have Payoneer.
Pioneer. I pay the leads guy with Pioneer, so Pioneer and Wise are good for me.
Okay,
Whatever,
then
whatever's
I'm
comes
okay
with.
with Wise because Upwork is taking like 20% charges.
Yeah, that's a lot. Um, okay, hopefully I'll be in touch soon when I get more clients on board because
And
currently,
you have my email already. So if you think that you want to hire me, then you can send me a contract, or you can send me a confirmation email whenever you
yeah.
think that. Okay.
Perfect, perfect. I'll be looking to onboard more clients soon, so hopefully I'll be in touch with you about helping me out.
Okay.
So
It's been
okay,
nice talking with you, Zach, and I'll be waiting for your reply.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.